Good morning, we're at ParkerJane.com. As you can see, Parker's busy here, getting her up. Yeah, I know, you're answering email. You got your flat panel in your crib here. Got some cartoons going. Got all your friends here. Got some sunshine. Looking good, Parker. Alright, we'll get back to you. Back at Parker Jane headquarters. She's working the keyboard. Good girl. She's got her friends Fufa and West Virginia Bear. Go WVU. And you can see her phone over there. You go, girl. Yes. Back from surgery and back to work. That's what we like to see. Parker? Parker? She's busy right now, but we'll get back to you. ParkerJane.com